I'm sure we've all dreamed of having a cottage in Muskoka, but the thought of maintaining the land and the cottage is just overwhelming and likely stopping us from moving forward. But what I've got here today is like owning your own luxury hotel suite right on Lake Muskoka. So this is Touchstone Resort, just outside of Bracebridge, and what they do here is treat you like a hotel guest every time you arrive. Your unit is clean, it's got fresh linens, fresh towels, just ready to go for you to enjoy your vacation. You don't have to worry about any exterior maintenance or lawn care. Just come in and enjoy. So we're gonna take a look at this suite here. We're in the living space right now, which has an amazing view of Lake Muskoka. And over here, we've got a fully equipped kitchen. We've got a gas stove, full fridge, dishwasher, microwave, cook all your meals, and then enjoy them here at the dining table. We've also got a full 4-piece washroom over here, along with a stacked laundry here, which is a great bonus. As we move over here, we've got the primary bedroom. It's got a king-size bed. We've got a patio door to access your deck that overlooks Lake Muskoka. And if you've got some guests coming over, we've got a pull-out couch here that can fit 2 people. And if your guests want a little bit more privacy, then there's a fully contained suite within the unit that features its own bedroom, its own washroom, and a kitchenette. I don't know if I mentioned, but it is like living in a hotel at the resort. To add to your experience, there's a plethora of additional amenities, including 2 outdoor pools, 2 outdoor hot tubs, a tennis court, 4 pickleball courts, and in the main lodge features a fully equipped restaurant with a bar and cafe, as well as a fully equipped gym. So if this is something that appeals to your experience living in the Muskokas, maintenance-free, give me a call and we can further chat about it.